It's not a recipe, but this is what I do as a nutritionist when I want a quick meal and it's just for me. And I want to eat well, but I don't want to spend loads of time in the kitchen because I'm just cooking for myself. So I generally make a salad. So I've got this little thing, which is, I think it's called a nicer dicer or something. It's basically a metal sharp grid, like a knife here, and a bowl underneath. And I just did a tomato. But what I generally do is I start just putting, I'm going to stand up, putting my vegetables through it. So literally, it just dices everything that I put through. So red pepper, I seem to have attracted a whole load of wasps. I'm going to put courgette in it because I'm growing courgette in the garden, so I've got loads of that. And another cucumber, red onion. Love red onion in a salad. Red onion is an amazing prebiotic. I don't know what I did there. That one didn't go through so well. It's better. Beetroot because I like it. Another single random tomato. Bit of cucumber. And pretty much that's it. So then that's my salad. Should just twist off. There we go. And you see I've just got loads of chopped up vegetables now, and this will last me a couple of days. So I'm going to throw some avocado in for some healthy fats. It's really important, it keeps us full up and nourishes us. And then I literally just put it in a bowl. So I'm going to put some healthy carbs in. So I'm going for a bit of quinoa. So 2 dessert spoons of quinoa, probably enough. About 250 grams of veggies, which just from experience I know is about that. So quinoa, cooked veggies, and then I fried up some prawns, sustainably caught, and I cooked them in olive oil with a bit of sriracha sauce. And then I've got my spicy peanut dressing. I'm going to stick a load of that on, and that literally is my dinner, so I'm getting it everywhere. And that's it. That's basically my dinner. Quick, simple, delicious, healthy, and made from scratch. There we go. Voila. And why do I like this? Because it's balanced. The proportions are right. So I've got 250 grams of vegetables, which is 2.5 portions. Tick that box off. I have 7 prawns on here, which is around 130 grams, which is my portion for my size. So I've got all my proteins covered. I've got some healthy carbs in the quinoa. And then I've got a really lovely dressing with sesame oil and peanuts and ginger and garlic. So it's all natural and it's really well balanced. So it's going to keep me full up. I won't need to snack anymore tonight. This is me done for the day.